There is a lot of excitement in our garden today. It is end of April in the southern hemisphere. We live in South Africa. And look at this amazing giant sweet potatoes that we've got from the soil this morning. I made a plan with this garden bed of mine. There's a lot of clay, so I made some raised beds, and wow, this is such nice soil. So I mixed half part of normal soil with 50% normal soil, 50% aerobic compost that I made myself. There's a lot of amazing microorganisms in here that gave these plants the minerals and nutrients they need. So this is how these garden beds looked like this morning. We've got one left. And Jacob, thank you Jacob for your gardening. And he helped me with the sweet potatoes. Wow, there's some more coming out. Let's see them. Lovely, lovely plants. So I made them from a mother plant that we called Rosie. So when we get to September this year, we will make some more slips from the descendants of Rosie. And I will show you how to make the slips to plant more sweet potatoes for the next season. But that's only going to happen in September. Now it's April, it's harvesting time, and tonight we're going to have sweet potatoes.